Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing this. This is the Oculus Quest 2. So what we're going to do today is just a quick unboxing and then we'll dive in deeper and look at how it looks. So let's get straight into it guys, and as I open it up, we'll check out the specs. So first, as you can see at the front, it just says Oculus Quest 2 and it's from Facebook. I don't know if they've changed the rules behind this, but initially you needed a Facebook account to be able to use this. I don't have Facebook. I don't like Facebook. I'll go on record saying that. I just don't trust it. But I'm hoping they've changed it so that we don't need Facebook account anymore. So looking at the top, it now comes in 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes for the same price as it used to for the 64 gigs. So as you can see, it just says Oculus in big writing, and then looking at the sides, it's cardboard packaging, which is really good. And then looking at the back, you can see it just shows some of the games that you can get. Some of the specs, I won't read through this, but as we're looking at it, you've got some of the specs are here. So it's an all-in-one VR. This doesn't need to be connected to a PC, but you can if you want to get more games out of it. It also has the Oculus inside out tracking, so you can set up your tracking so that you can lay out an internal map of your room and set boundaries. So the resolution on this is 1832 by 1920, and that's per eye, so it's a fairly high resolution display. And from my testing of other VRs, it is a very good display. It has fast switch LCD and it has integrated positional audio. So again, we'll be testing this all out once I unbox it and in my follow-up videos. Battery life on this, as it is wireless, is 2 to 3 hours, but on average most people get around an hour and a half. Depending on what you're doing, if I'm going to be honest. The processor uses the new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform. So let's open this up. It looks like you just peel it. I mean, I've done my research and I don't think there's going to be a new VR coming out for at least another year. They might announce it, but by the time it comes out, I think you're looking at another year or so. No. So we just open it up. Ooh, the inside does look really nice and clean. And I'm all about the clean look. And then you can see it shows 1, 2, 3. So you pull out the handset, you press the power on button on the headset, and you adjust the straps. So you got your left and right handsets here. Looks really clean, guys. If you're interested in getting these and you don't want to buy it brand new, there are out there on the second-hand market for around £200, including delivery. You just have to keep an eye out. A lot of them are just selling the headset, but you want the full handset as well, because it will cost you pretty much the same as buying it brand new if it's just a headset. So as you can see, you got AB, the Oculus button, analog, and then triggers on the back. And then on the left side, you got the X and Y as well. So then you got your headset. And as you can see, it says Quest 2 silicone cover. And then you got your silicone cover in here, which goes around. And then you got your eye rest in here. And as you can see, they come pre-packaged, so they're all wrapped, so there should be no dirt on the lenses itself. And there's just an instruction here. Move lens left or right to find the clearest view. So you can adjust your lens by twisting them to the left and right, and that will refocus the lens. Depending on each person, that will vary. And then at the front, as you can see, you've got your little sensors here. So these are little cameras. And when you step out your boundaries, once you set up your boundaries, if you step out of these, it will show you live footage of what you're seeing. which is good just in case you're going to crash into something. And then you get your this is for people that wear glasses. This is just another layer to put a division between you and the Oculus so it doesn't hurt your face. Okay, and then you get your box, and inside this box will be all your cables. So you get your charging units in here. Open it up, again it says Oculus. Remember guys, for £299 you're getting a full VR experience, and it's wireless, so it's not connected to a PC. For that price it is pretty damn good. So as you can see, you've got your plug here, and it's a type C to type C, and that's it guys. So that was just a quick unboxing of the VR Oculus Quest 2. And again, as I said, once we set it up, I'll do some testing and I'll show you what I've unlocked and what you get initially with it, and what else we can do with this. So stay tuned for that guys. If you like this video, please like and sub, and peace out.